Do you know, I made it on just using PowerPoint. Can't you believe it? Come on, let's put this amazing PowerPoint animation together. Change the background image. Insert a rectangle. Change the color to this hex show on display. Insert a text box and type whatever you want. Change the font to this and make text bigger. Align the text box in the center. Change the text color to white. Now duplicate the rectangle and make size like this. Then duplicate that smaller rectangle, arrange like this. Now we're going to add animation to text. Go to animations and add select Plano and apply to both and out animations. And in effect option select upside. Now change entrance animation to its previous. And exit to after previous with 50 seconds delay. Now duplicate the slide and change the text. Duplicate the slide again and remove the entrance animation. In previous slide, remove the exit animation. Don't forget to set the exit animation on slide 3 to its previous. Now drag the rectangle like this. Now insert a plane and some clouds. Now follow me to make this. Now duplicate the slide. Select these elements as well as the video, and move to right side of slide. Now delete the text and add a text box. Then type whatever you want, and make sure to align text as it. Set the duration to 25 seconds. In advanced slide